Crash! Bang! Wallop! What a video!
I was going to say, we're driving through hay fever, I can see it.
Did you just say we're driving through hay fever?
Yeah, man, it's all the pollen in the air, I can see it polluting.
We're driving through hay fever, he can see it. And on our bombshell, it's
I tell you exactly what's happening.
Remarkable scenes here today, as well as driving through hay fever. I'm not Adam C, he's not Adam C.
I'm not Adam C.
We're not even in a cruise, but I tell you what we have got. We are in love with all of you, 2,500 subscribers.
Yeah, yo, thank you, innit? True story.
So much, really. I don't know a lot of people that do 2,500 sub thank you videos, but this is just part of our weekly update.
We're grateful, innit? Yo, do your air freshener as well. You slip me and teach.
Oh man, teach. I done the air freshener wrong, innit?
There we go. It's up now. It's up. We see.
There we are. Right, something else. Likes.
Likes, yeah. I tell you what. Can I get 100 likes on this video? I've always wanted to do it. So there we go. Let's do it.
Yeah, it's only happened once or twice. Like, give us 100 likes on this video.
Damn
we love it for it.
But I tell you what. As far as weekly update goes, it's another mad thing this week. No, we can't top another Evo 6, but it's still remarkable scenes.
Still no handles in here. Still every option extra.
We don't need fucking handles.
Playlist. If you didn't see it previously, just quickly mention, we got musical playlists. I got a metal one. He's got a, I don't know.
Yo, I've got two playlists that are currently active. Yeah, there's gonna be more in the mix. But I've got a classic grime playlist. Obviously, I'm a 90s kid, so I grew up the whole era of grime. So we've got some classic grime, non-modern stuff, classic stuff. You know, some cool Dizzy Rascal, etc. Some wicked stuff. We've also got Boss's backseat jams. So, you know, if you're feeling a bit frisky when you're out and about, you know, let the mood take you. Boss's backseat jams the way it is. Man them, gal them, thank me later.
Now, moving on from that, if you go and look in the description, you'll find links to all these playlists, which you've now got to remember to put in. And like on Ben's video, innit? We forgot to put his link in.
That was me, but go check Ben out.
Also, if you go on to Spotify, because they're only on Spotify, and if you type in Viking Views, look for our logo. There's a green one, there's an orange one.
Team Ginge.
Team Green, innit? Fucking ecologically minded, like, innit?
Yeah.
Right, back to business now. Sunday gone, we was down Taunton way.
We was Taunton, yeah. And Bridgewater. We actually got around, didn't we? But I tell you what, shout out to BCCM. Lewis again, big shout out as well, literally making us feel like part of the family. And I tell you what, the views were phenomenal at the end of that night back in Bristol.
Yeah, man, absolutely.
True story. This part of the road, man, always freaks me.
We also did a paranormal investigation in the week.
We did last Thursday.
Busy, man.
We did.
We got a ring. Alan after.
Mr. Alan, we'll give Mr. Alan a call later. But yeah, Ancient Ramian, that place just went off. Obviously, Portal Paranormal is our other stuff. There's loads of stuff that is backed up on there. Hasn't necessarily dropped yet, because let's be honest, we've got to review the evidence and stuff. But with Viking,
there's a lot to do.
Zero time. But yeah, there's going to be a whole bunch of stuff going over. So what we want to do is search Portal Paranormal Skirrid to actually find the channel. It's a small channel. We haven't grown it yet, you know. We haven't watered it and watched it growing it. So
we haven't cultivated that thing.
But if you want to go over and give that a sub ready for, you know, the paranormal things that are going to be going through,
it will be coming through.
Thank you. Friday, remarkable days Friday. Do you want to tell about Friday? A lot happened.
I gotta go in the. Do I need to go into? Do you want me to tell the whole story, like, or do you want me to just cut to the chase?
Do you know what? Give them we're driving to Wingwar. Let's get it down quick story.
Okay, really quickly. Saturday gone was summer action day at Castle Combe, innit?
Yes.
Right? Me and him been watching the weather forecast, been going, it looks like it's going to be thunder and lightning, raining all day, it looks like it's going to be a mess.
And to be fair, we'll say we didn't get home until 5 o'clock Friday morning from the Ancient Ramin. So,
I think
you know,
it was more like 6 actually.
Oh, 6 o'clock. It was actually 6 o'clock in the morning. You know, it's a lot on. Burnt the bridges at both ends. True story.
Burnt the candles, not the bridges. No bridges were burnt in the making of this story, innit?
Burnt too, innit?
You know, but yeah, we were lacking much sleep, and we were like, oh, well, it's going to be shit. So we gave the ticket away because we're such kind-natured people, innit? Now I got to choose my words carefully here because insurance matters are still proceeding. This is why, if anybody's seen me in like the last, well, since Friday, I've been looking a bit mardy and be going on, oh, fucking just give me 5 minutes, like. It's because I went up to see Todd, Sapling Todd with the S200, albeit he was in an Insignia diesel when I saw him, regardless. Give him the ticket, didn't ask for anything, back it off.
Good karma, innit? That's good karma.
Good karma. Then bad karma happened. I was involved in a minor fender bender in the GTI, I lad. Not the Lancer, not the Evo 6, no, in the GTI. My pristine one owner daily driver that I've had for 7.5 years from now, it got twatted. I weren't happy, but...
You still ain't happy?
I'm still not fucking happy. But this morning, I had to go to the repair place and they've taken information so they can do an estimate for the insurance company. Now, I can't go into a lot of detail, but it was low speed. It was less than 20 miles an hour. It was one of those things. I'm not happy about it, but it happened. Might even have been on the fucking road we're on at the minute, over the other side, but we won't even fucking go there, is it?
Shit happens, innit?
Shit happens. But, thank fuck, right? Nobody was injured. The car drives absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong. Mechanically, nothing has happened. All it is, there's a bonnet, a bumper, a grille, and a headlight will need to be replaced. I saw a bloke this morning. That's what he said to me. I already knew that, but there we are. That's what's going to happen.
Confirmed it, too.
So it's just basically cosmetic stuff. Things need to be unbolted, put back on. And I'm good with that because nothing has changed in how the car drives. The wheels haven't been touched. Nothing's been touched. Just the front bit. Even the radiator's intact. Nothing has been harmed in the engine.
Literally one of those things, and the main thing is you're alright in it. Because I tell you what, when you did say being in an accident,
yeah, man,
it shit me up a little bit. So you're alright.
Happy.
You safe.
But looking at it another way, I'm not happy that my insurance is going to go up and all this shit.
Turn her into a win. Come on, turn her into a win.
But 7.5 years I've been driving that Golf round, right? The front is peppered with stone chips, as all Mark 7 Golfs are, right?
Yeah.
And the bumper, and the headlight probably, right? Well, guess what? Those bits are being replaced with brand new ones and being repainted.
There we go.
I can deal with that.
Turned it into a positive.
But yeah, mechanically there's nothing wrong with the car. Chances are, right, if you see me out and about in the next 10, 12 days, I'll still be driving the bent up GTI. If I haven't already, here's a little bit of footage of the GTI just to show you the little fucking clonk it had, innit?
But yeah, just one of those things. You said you got to turn it into a win, innit?
Yes,
that's all you got to do.
But I'm not allowed to discuss who's at fault. Who's not a fucking fault? But I'm not allowed to discuss who's at fault. I'm not just generally saying something has happened. We're dealing with it at the minute, and yeah, it's all right. And I'm still if it had been like a high speed, do you know what I'm saying? Then maybe if things were a little bit, I don't drive the same, maybe things would be different. But at the moment, I'm happy for bits to be replaced and for me to keep on motoring in that thing because I love that car.
What you're doing is literally just improving it, visually improving it.
I just getting the new front end put on it, but only the visual bits, not the structural bits, like, you know.
Remarkable scene. So as I said, you got to turn her into a win, innit? So yeah, when I'm there well now.
On a Wednesday, I picked up an Evo 6. On a Friday, I looked at my Golf in pieces.
It is. You had a hell of a week last week.
I rang him. I was like, well, the thing is, right? Something got cut there because things were said that would interfere with insurance. We'll leave that one alone. But yeah, there we are.
True story.
That's that. It happened. You'll see me driving around it for the next week and a half or so. But it's gonna get sorted out.
Although the M4 still fine. Dunny Dandle still fine. But yeah, anyway, right, here we go. Talking about, you know, flipping losers into wins and all this stuff.
Oh,
right?
yeah, he's got these gay sayings he's been working on. No, it's not
gay work. Do you know, I've been just sat there with a beer, pouring my heart out, innit? Literally, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna dip you all a nice little saying every week, innit? Literally, can't dip anything else, can I? So I'm gonna dip you sayings, innit?
Fuck my days.
But yeah, you know, so many people say to me, innit, what music you're listening to in the car. That's why obviously we've done, you know, the little playlist, innit? Also, people reach out to me for advice. I don't know why. I'm joking, I'm not too bad. Look at this is cheeky, innit? Now they're all trying to go and I take one's like, no, I'm gone. But
look at this fucking disaster on the road though.
What is happening? Let me go, thank you very much. Anything else coming? No,
it's a fucking good job. I got a front dash cam working today.
Innit? But anyway, here we go. Loads of people come to me for advice or situations or whatever. So I thought, you know what, let's dip a little, like, you know, 10-second thing into each video. Each week, I'm going to say something different. Now, this will be the test. How long can I keep it up for? So today's random words,
if
right?
If he doesn't do it in a video, on a weekly update video, you need to leave it in the comments to remind him you haven't done it.
Yeah, so right.
Call him out.
Thought of the day, right? That's what we're going to call it.
He only has one thought a day.
So today's thought of the day, right? Don't be afraid to start a new chapter. You might like the story.
Now, some people out there will be like, That's really good. That makes sense. That's wisdom. They're not his own sayings, you understand? These are sayings he's literally ripped off from one other person.
No, these are my sayings, bro. I'm giving it 2021 vibes, innit? But
you giving
keep it old school, that's all I'm gonna say. But
Jesus Christ.
yeah, there we go. That's your vibe, right? That's all you need to know. Now, this time next week, if you tune in for the video, I'll give you another saying.
Aren't you lucky? But you'll have to wait until the later part in the video to find out what nonsense falls out of his face next.
I am remarkable at doing it, but there we go. So yeah, talk about remarkable scenes. What's this Vito doing? It's happening.
How are you calling it? Right. For anybody as well that's asking, so I've had 1 or 2 people asking, there will be videos on the Evo dropping you've done well, eh, man? There will be Evo videos dropping shortly. I've been tied up the last couple of days, innit?
Yo, you ain't having a video till I get to drive it. True story.
Dickhead.
Yo, on the scenes of GTI boy jumps in S4 or whatever. I know I said about this touching base last time. He was on about I didn't drive a Q7, didn't drive the S5, blah blah blah.
No.
Maybe on the day we'll do a swap, right? You drive the M4, I'll drive an Evo, innit? But you did drive my Beetle last year. The pride of joy Beetle.
I almost drove his Beetle last year.
You drove the Beetle last year.
No, I almost drove it. The reason I almost drove it is because the seat doesn't move and he's got it wedged almost in the back of the car.
I'm 6'4", I
couldn't reach the bloody pedals.
Man's got a fit, but yeah, remarkable scenes.
Well, if this thumbnail is what I think it is, it's going to be a white van in front of the wing wall.
What a twat. I'm not happy about that.
You can't fit there.
Boss not happy.
Boss don't fit anyway.
Boss
drop it down here is a good one.
Boss not happy with the situation.
What's boss gonna do? Are you going round the loop, are you? Put it there.
Nah. Go and tell that man in a van. Can I say that?
No, that bit we've had to cut out as well because you can't say that. I can't help but notice, Jordan, you're driving further away from the wing well.
Oh, this is new. I've never been on it before.
I thought this was one way, I'll be honest, innit?
No, we got 2 lanes, we're alright.
This is Alpha Street.
Halford Street?
Alpha Street. No, it's not. That would be back that way.
Yeah,
Peace, hope and joy. It's happening.
We are right, so we're mixing that wing walk, but yo, we've rambled enough. So what we're gonna do, like this video, 100 likes, don't forget. Give it a share, subscribe to the channel if you know anyone that's interested. Look at these 2 nutters in the car. Drop the video over to them. If not, drop a cruise video over to them. We'll do it. We're on all socials. Tell them.
You look to the right, son. You left as clear as anything.
There we go. We're all good. We're all good.
I'm still not sure where you're going to put this stupid car.
In there, but that jazz has gone there now. Yo, why is everyone parking? Don't they know we got Viking privilege? I'm going, yeah. Fuck everyone.
Fuck everyone. So there we are. In case you're wondering why the thumbnail is such a confusion, this is why the thumbnail's a confusion. But anyway, thank you very kindly for watching. Give us the subs, the like, and everything else we've been talking about, innit? 100 likes, remember.
Who does he think he is?
And I think we done teach.
We are done teach. Push. Ah, son, eh?